Hi everyone, I'm Mitra. Today I want to show you how to make a puppet game in Scratch. So let's get started. First we need to choose a sprite, that is the rainbow circle, but it would not be in the sprite category. We have to download it from the Google by typing the URL as rainbow circle. So to upload a sprite we have to hover over choose a sprite and choose upload. Now we have the rainbow circle. Now we need the buttons which play the sound pop when touched. So go to sprite library and choose the ball. You can see that the ball is little large. So I will reduce one number, which is 99. Now the first color should be pink. So go to costumes of the ball and choose ball C. Now delete all the costumes of this ball except ball C. Press on it and click on the delete option. Now we need to draw a new costume. Select this whole wall and choose copy and go to costume 1 and paste. Now select this and go to fill and choose color. Now the costume 1 is ready. Now we have to code it. Go to events when this sprite is clicked. Next costume and play the sound pop. Now if I click this sprite, it plays the sound pop and it also changes to next costume. Now long press the ball and choose duplicate. We have to choose duplicate 2 times. Now we have to do the same thing which we have done on row 1. Go to sprite library again, choose the ball, go to costumes and delete every costumes except ball 1. Now draw a new costume. Go to ball A and copy it and paste. Go to fill and choose orange. Now go to code, do the same thing, which is when the sprite is clicked, next costume and play sound pop. Now long press the ball 4 and choose duplicate. 3, 4, 5. Now arrange them. Now the second row is also ready. Repeat this in every rows. The third row's color should be yellow and the fourth should be green, fifth should be blue and the sixth should be purple. And your project is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.